Hello everyone, Tanya Oy here. Just wanted to hop on. Happy Friday. I wanted to explain the tools we have on sale. Today is the last day of this huge sale, 35% off of two of our tools here at Rodan+Fields. And I wanted to explain why would you want them and how do you use them. So the first one is our PORE MD roller. What it is a tool that has surgical grade needles. I'm going to try and get this really close so you can kind of see the needles that are in it. Now, if anybody knows me, you know I hate needles, but this feels absolutely wonderful. How do you use it? Why do you need it? If you have concerns with fine lines and wrinkles, if you have concerns with firmness of your skin, not only your face, but don't forget your neck. Your neck shows your age just as much, or if not more than your face does. If you have uneven texture in your skin, or if you're dealing with scarring anywhere, this is not necessarily just for your face. It could be used other areas. But what it does is it kind of wakes up your skin and it says, hey, something's wrong. So it kind of opens things up so that you can go in with our Retin-A, which is amazing because each comes in a little bead, so it has just the right amount, and you just twist open the little bead and you kind of put it wherever you rolled, and what it does, this is waking things up to allow this to get into your skin better, and it's going to fill in those fine lines and wrinkles. When you use the roller, 1 minute, 3 times a week is all you need to do, and you just roll up and down first all around your face. Don't forget your neck, and then you're going to go across, and then when you get done going across, then you kind of go at an angle as well. You want to kind of get every area filled in. Open up your bead after you have cleansed your face, doing the rolling. Open up your bead and put this on your face. I usually do this at night. And that's how this roller, what are the benefits of it? Visibly firmer skin, and it refines the uneven texture and reduces scars. So that's tool number 1. That is 35% off through today only. Tool number 2, if you have concerns with minimizing your, if you have concerns with clogged pores, I have my notes over here, so if you see me glancing, that's why. But clogged, enlarged pores, blackheads, rough skin, oily skin, or breakouts, this is the tool that you're going to want to use. The benefits of it, minimizing your pores, exfoliates your skin, breaks down your oils and dirt, and for optimal extraction. So how this works, it comes with a pore prep solution. So you just put this on a gauze pad and put that in your T-zone. This is used in the T-zone only. You don't want to use it off on your cheeks. You'll give yourself a hickey. Not fun. Okay? And red spots. What you're going to want to do with this, once you have the pore prep solution on in your T-zone, I usually like it especially for the sides of my nose. That's where I have the biggest issues. It has 2 settings. So on the bottom, you just push the button. Just start mildly. If you feel like that's just not enough, then you can push it again to amp up the pressure. And when you do this, you just go in after you put the pore prep solution on, and then you just go in and wait for the suction to happen. And then you'll just roll real slowly. Don't hold in one spot for more than 3 seconds, and roll it off. And you'll see the guck. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but that's just from one little push. I know it's disgusting, but super helpful. Hey, Allison. But that is how this tool works. So if you want to save time from having to make appointments at the dermatologist, doing this once a week will really reduce those pores and probably your breakouts as well. So just wanted to explain about them a little bit. And like I said, through today, on sale, 35%. I've never seen them discounted this much. So if this is something interesting to you or someone you know, I would love the referral. In fact, if you refer somebody who you think could maybe use one of these tools, I will give you $20 cash or a $20 gift certificate to your favorite store to go shopping at. Let me know. I'd love to help you out or help a friend of yours out. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.